corners of my new whip. 10 miles per hour, my cruise ship. Haters mean mugging like a blue pit. Keep looking, you ain't gon' do shit. I just cap on with some cool kicks. I'm fresh to death in my mood.
Well, it seemed in. What is going? Well, I didn't know it was on. What's going on, guys? So today, you might be wondering, like, how the heck I get my Lexus up on this parking garage. So basically, I say that a lot. I just noticed that I say so basically a lot. Maybe that's like my nervous thing, but I don't know. Basically, I'm gonna get into detail of this Lexus keep on saying basically, but I don't keep on saying basically. Don't mind the mess, guys. I'm actually getting ready to clean the car out. I need to get this fixed. I'm actually gonna probably hit up cat skin here soon and maybe get some red leather seats for Lucy. But for right now, I'm gonna talk about what happened to the Lexus. So let's go jump into it. Oh yeah. You might be wondering, what the hell happened to Lucy? So this is what happened to Lucy right here. Right here. The oil, guys. I feel so stupid. You might be wondering, the oil, what are you talking about, oil? So my grandpa was like, oh, I got you some oil, all this and that or whatever. So I was like, bet, save me some money, you know what I'm saying? I went to go pick it up. It was 0W20. I didn't really know like much about these motors. I didn't think it was gonna really hurt it because 0W20 is usually what they use for the newer cars. So I didn't think anything of it. So I drove for about, I wanna say like 1,500 miles. Everything was fine. But then one day the oil got a little bit low with the 0W20 and it started making that knocking sound. So I freaked out, looked up the codes with Sam, checked all that stuff out. We thought it was a few different things. Lo and behold, I changed the oil back to 5W30 full synthetic and changed the oil filter, got rid of all the old 0W20, and Lucy's back on the road, you know? So for all my IS350 people, if you guys plan on changing your oil, use the correct 5W30 because it will definitely make your car sound like poo. Hopefully it didn't cause any internal damage. I've been driving my car the way I usually drive it. You guys know how I drive it, like this. And I haven't had any problems. But today I have something cool to show you guys. In this box right here, we have something to show you. Oh, it's a smiley face. So in this box, we got some gosh darn bubble wrap. No, so I got sent from this company called Peztio. I guess I don't want to like mess that up, but I think it's Peztio. These are dash cams, which we're going to check out and install right about now before I take my 2-mile run. If you guys know where I'm at, you already know. But we're gonna get this out. So here's one of the dash cams. Oh, that looks dope. Looks like a little GoPro or something. But they're full HD, 1080p, loop recording, built-in speakers, built-in microphone, and motion detection. So this is a great company, guys. I also have a discount code, link in the description if you guys want to order yourself some. These are one of the best you can get for the price on the market today. So if you guys don't feel like spending $200-300 on a dash cam, definitely check these out. So there's one for the front. All I need to get is the micro SD card and we'll get this installed. But it's just a suction cup, just like a GoPro. You plug it in and then boom, you're ready to go. Super simple installation. So as you can see here, don't mind the dirty car, guys. I haven't washed my car in a minute, but this literally clips in right here. I'll show you. This clips in right here, super simple. Boom, and we're good to go. So you just hook this up how you would a regular camera and you're good to go. You just place it however you want. I'm probably gonna do it like this on my front windshield. I don't have a micro SD card currently, but yeah. Okay, so I think this is the rear cam right here, guys. I didn't even see that in the box. So here's the rear camera, but there's a rear camera. You just run the wires all the way through the back. Basically place it wherever you want. I'd probably do it honestly right in the middle because that's where you have the best viewpoint. But yeah, guys, go check out Peztio. Really great company to try it out. I'm gonna get some videos of this and then make a separate video, but this is just a quick unboxing of this. A huge shout out to these guys. So like I said, discount in the description below. But right now, I'm gonna go for my run. We also got, let me show you what we're doing here, guys, because we're trying to get these gains. I'm tired of being a fat slob. So we got this little elevation mask we're gonna wear and then go for our 2-mile run. So this basically just helps out with like cardiovascular stuff, breathing and all that. So we're gonna do that and then we'll be right back to finish off this video. Alrighty, guys, so this run is over. I feel great. Like, honestly, if you guys have the time, like even 15-20 minutes, just go for a little jog / run and you'll feel great, guys. A little bit of cardio actually helps a bunch. Well, let's listen to this backfire if Lucy would do it. Yeah, she likes to. We're getting a whole bunch of backfires, guys, more than usual. Oh, another one. We are getting backfires from backfires to backfires. But if you guys must know, my car is she's fine now, guys. She's not dead, she's alive. So the only thing that I do need to change about this car, obviously, she needs a really good detail because it looks insane. Shout out to Shine Armor. We're gonna get her right. If you guys want to check out some Shine Armor, link in the description, same thing, got a little discount code, so check that out. Besides a good old cleaning, all I have to do is the camshaft sensor, and I believe that's all the check engine light is for the car. Obviously maintenance and stuff, I'm going to be doing a lot of maintenance here soon because it's just, she's at 120,000 miles, so obviously it's going to need a whole bunch of maintenance, but it's just going to be mainly just like the brake line flush and coolant flush, all that, just to get it running good. But I'm going to be getting some drift tires here soon for the BBS's so we can go drifting, guys, and this is going to be great. So but I want you guys to post in the comments below, what do you want to see next with this car? I'm thinking about maybe like a wrap or something, but my main focus right now, if you guys haven't known, because the reason why I haven't been really posting that much is because I got a new job. I'm going to be making a lot more money, so the caddy's going to be back, and Lexus, all that good stuff, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick, mainly like just telling you guys that the Lexus is fine, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go get your Ant merch. I'm not wearing mine right now currently because we went for a long run. You already know, guys, rock the Ant merch, send me a pic and I'll post you guys on the Instagram. But comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thumbnail.
Everywhere you look.
Work hard for this, but a part of me wanted to do licks. In my younger days, I was a nuisance. Only reason I ain't caught a body yet, cause I've been able to vent through this music. Ain't got time if you bluffing and move, bitch. Never tricking.